In the recent updates, Twitch announced the chat highlight settings feature, and that you can use it to highlight even more messages than just the first time chatter like it was before. It's a really cool feature that will help you out to see the chat, especially if it goes really fast, and that you can see, messages from mods before messages from your viewers as well. It is really cool. If you guys don't know, my name is Agent. I'm a full-time Twitch partner. I stream every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Link is down in the description below. I would love to see you there. Now, how do we set up this new chat highlight feature from Twitch, and how does it actually work? It is really simple. Let's go onto the website and let me show you how to do it. So now that we are on the actual website, we go to our Twitch page. I'm on mine right now, and then you will see this thing on the bottom right of the chat called chat highlight settings. If you click on this thing, you will see the whole new settings, how you can set it up, and how does it work. So usually before, at least, I mean, they added this like a few months ago, it was showing up the first time chatters. So if somebody new came into the stream for the first time, said something, it would be highlighted. It would say, hey, this person is, first time chatting, they're new, they're asking you a question or they're saying something, so you know who they are, and that they're first time chatter. Now you can make it so it's for every mention, for every moderator message, and for every subscriber message as well. It is really cool, and it's really simple to set up as well. So we just have to go over here. So first time chatter is enabled by default. You can make it default, so it's like a big message, or minimized, so it's like low key, and it says first time chat over here. If you want it low key, you can click minimized, and then for whatever else you want to set up, you can set up for mentions. So when somebody mentions you in the chat, it will highlight as well. I think that's a bit too much. Depends if you have a faster chat or not. You might want this. I already have it from Better TTV where my messages are red when somebody highlights me. But you can do this mention and make it minimized, for example. So it's like really small and like low key. Moderators are really cool if you have a faster chat. I would highly recommend this one. Make it minimized or default, whatever you prefer. But whenever a moderator says something, you can see it. So, for example, if they're trying to tell you something, you don't miss it, and you can fix it real quick if they have something, important to tell the streamer. Subscribers are something else you can set up as well. If you have a lot of subscribers, maybe this is not the best way because your whole chat is going to be highlighted. So I don't know how that would work. But that's pretty much how you set it up. You just enable these right here, and then if somebody else says something in the chat, it will be highlighted, and it's really cool. So for example, if I do socials, because my bot is a moderator, it will do it highlighted like this. And now because it is minimized over here, it will be like this, where it says moderator and it's just outlined green. If I make it default and I do the same command, socials, it will be a bit less low-key with the text moderator above the actual command. So I think minimized is way better because it's like just smaller text. You don't need to see this whole big thing unless, whatever you prefer, but I would like that. And it's really nice to see more messages in the chat so you never miss anything else. I really hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe. Hope you learned something new. And if you don't already know, like I said, I do stream on Twitch every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Link is down in the description below. I would love to see you there. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out and have a good one. Bye-bye.